We're out here today with the Experience Macao Food Truck, giving Los Angeles a little taste of what Macao has to offer with some pork chop buns and egg tarts.
I'm really proud to serve a taste of Macao to the people in Los Angeles. This year is really special because we are celebrating the Year of Gastronomy in Macau.
It's super exciting to educate people and just share the culinary experience.
We have 19 Michelin star restaurants and 12 Michelin recommended street food.
The street food is Michelin quality.
Yummy.
We would like to bring all the food and amazing culture to share with all the people in America.
That's exactly why we're here.
I have been to Macau 2 times, and the food and architecture, I was absolutely mesmerized.
Teaching everyone about Macao as a destination has been a really great experience.
We wanted to let people know where Macau is and what we offer.
I never even heard of that place until now.
I want to learn about the architecture and the history of the Portuguese and how it influences.
I think it was a really interesting insight into Macau culture and food.
I would love to go to Macau.
It is delicious.
Pork chop bun. It is nice.
This is so good. I hope my rabbi understands.
I was amazed when people tried the Macau food, and now they were like, oh, I got to go to Macau and have a taste.
Wow.